Okay, welcome back. This time we're gonna look at the terrain, and we're gonna do it in a two-part series, but I recommend that when you get the hang of it, you actually just play with it a bit. But I picked up two assets for this. The one is actually here, Nature Starter Kit 2, and then I wrote Free Rocks, and I picked this one. They're down here. So we'll be using those two, Free Rocks and Nature. So the idea is that we are going to create a 3D object terrain here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna edit, of course. So take off the lighting static and go into paint details and click edit details. Oh, sorry. Paint texture, edit texture, add texture, and go down until you find ground 1. You can pick which one you like. I pick this one and choose add, and then you pick a spot, could be like here. And the idea is that we want to create one area where we have the main menu and another area where we have the character selection scene. So I like to start with creating the main menu scene, which is for this tutorial. So I'll take into the Free Rocks, go into prefabs, and I'll take the cliff, and I will push E and turn it around like this. So this will be my free rock. My rocks will be like some sort of a background, I think. So I'll build around this. So I go into nature starters and take nature, and I'll take 3. It could be this one. I put it behind. I will take 3 here as well, and maybe I can take a bush and gonna resize it a bit so it won't be that big. This, and yeah, I'm just gonna grab the main camera actually. So go out here again, take the main camera and move it up to place where I'm currently editing. So right now I see this, and this is not what I want. So it's here, and I'm gonna rotate it to look here. So this is the frame I might gonna work with. Maybe I'm even gonna take it a little bit to the side, like this, a little bit forward. Yeah, this is just an example. It might not even be the best example, but it's okay. So what we're gonna focus on is like creating this scene and trying to make it look nice. And when we push play game, we're gonna cut to make the camera go over to another scene, and yeah, and open the other UI, which I'm kind of struggling with if I want the color or not. But it's easy to change. So let's continue with the scene. I'm gonna take in here, I'm gonna go into terrain, gonna paint, add a new texture, select, go down, and I pick ground 3 here, maybe, now ground 2, I pick this one. I'm gonna add it, take this, take the little brush side, maybe even smaller, and I'm gonna like color a bit over it, like this could be some sort of road, and this could be because there is not much water here. So there's a difference in the shading, so kind of looks okay. So it's more like there's more details in the photo and look more realistic. This is far from the best thing I can do. I'm not so good at, in general, this details and stuff like that. I'm more into coding, but hey. So this is for grass. So I'm gonna pick grass 1, and I'm gonna do it a little bit dark because I'm not so fond of the light colors. Gonna add it, and let's see, there, some grass here. It's okay to make too much. You can always remove it again, and make it a little bit random. So now we have it like this. So here could be nice to have something too. So yeah, and maybe let's see, we can go into window and take rendering and lighting settings, take this skybox material, click here and say shiny to skybox, this, and close it and look again. Then we can see the sky have changed. You can of course change the setting, make it darker, make it, but I like it this way. It's more like, then I want the main camera maybe to see, I want to go get tint a bit and move it up. Let's see, yeah, so I want something here in the back, like, you have to think about what is the background and stuff like that. So go into the scene, go a bit out, I take some trees. I can even go into terrain and push this one and say edit tree, add tree, and then you can take this tree, 2 in blend factor, add, and you can like make a lot of trees or few. I'm gonna do like this. Let's see. This looks okay. It's like, it's a bit here. No, that's not good. So I'll go a bit back. Maybe this tree was not the best one, but we'll do it a little bit smaller again and more like this. Yeah, I like that better. And then I want some rocks here in the background. So I'm gonna go back to asset, free rocks, prefabs. Take this rock, gonna make it 3 times 3 times 3. See if it's in the photo. It is, but not where I want it. So here, it's gonna have the rock here. So this will be the start, and in the next video we will make the other place where our camera will be focusing on the character creation menu. So it looks like this when we want to hit the play and we want to go out and turn.